Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great, learning this language great way. Today I am sharing with you how to speak English without fear. Yes guys, without fear, you will talk to English. You have become a fluently speaker, okay? But you are daily try, you are daily learn about yourself, you are daily work your communication skill and you remove your fear. Yes, I have only two tips. You are follow these tips and you can speak to English. My first tips is you are getting this knowledge in English. You are you are you learn about this vocab. Without vocab you are not talk to English. Without vocab you will not make this a sentence. You will not making this a sentence. And uh, you are not making this sentence, you are not talk to English. Yes, you are knowledgeable content. You are not lots of watching this knowledgeable content. Yes, and you definitely you will become a friendly speaker. You will learn this vocab, you will learn this grammar. Yeah, and you are reading this book, you are daily watching this the you are daily watching this small story. Yeah, and you are definitely you are become a friendly speaker. But you are sacrifice, you are hard work. Without sacrifice you will not learn this language, not learn this language. Your daily hard work, your daily 100% efforts, your your English language, you will definitely you will talk to English, you will become a friendly speaker. Okay, and my second thing is don't comparison this other people's and don't comparison the other YouTuber. Yeah, without you will comparison this other people's, yeah, YouTuber. You are not growing your life, you are not growing your English, you're not grow your communication skill. Yeah, don't compare and don't go don't go the perfections. Yeah, you are daily try, you are daily speak, you are slowly your communication skill is a grow. And your uh, your communication skill is a good. You're slowly your communication skill is a perfections. Yeah, but consistency is a key of success. You are daily consistent, you are daily speak, you are daily try to speak. And don't comparison. Okay, and don't comparison the other people's love me. Okay, but you are try to best efforts your English language. Okay, and your work your communication skill. Thank you watching this my video. My video is a like and subscribe, and you can do and you can speak. You will meet next video. Bye bye.